she's a friend and go on a date with. All of them are amazing, but I think Tanya. There's Shweta Tripathi, there's Mr. Siddharth Narayanan.
Hi Ritvik, welcome to Urban Nation.
Hi,
How's it going?
it's going well lately. Um, सही चल रहा है, getting to spend some time with my family,
Great,
and yeah.
great. So from Ferrari ki Sawari to Indori ish, how has the journey been like? Anything that you would have done differently in your journey?
No, absolutely not. I wouldn't change a thing given a chance. Uh, because any experiences that I've had in this journey, good or bad, have made me the person that I am today, and I wouldn't change a thing. But the journey's been amazing. It's been great. Feels like a dream because, to be very honest, I never thought of becoming an actor. Although I used to, do plays in school for our annual days in school. But I never thought of it as a career option, and I was too young also to consider things as my career. So yeah, but Ferrari happened to me. I was in a mall with my family, and the assistant director of the film, Mr. Rohan Mapuskar, he happened to be there at the same point of time. And I don't know, he saw me and he felt that I might fit the bill, and he asked me to come for a few workshops for the film. And eventually, I got selected, started my acting career. And after we wrapped that film, I fell in love with the process of filmmaking. It made me really happy. I was always a very shy and introvert kind of a person, so it really helped me open up. Made me realize that I had a different side to myself that was in front of the camera. So yeah, I mean, it's been great.
Oh, amazing. In a very short span of time, you've covered YouTube short films, web shows, films. So what next on your list?
I mean, I enjoy whatever comes my way. I don't think uh, of anything as कि यार ये तो यूट्यूबर है, ये जो भी इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है, जो भी अच्छा लगता है, I try to be a part of it. But yeah, I would love to do more films and web shows. That's what's my priority right now.
Any plans on doing a reality show like Big Boss?
No, yeah, nothing. I don't think. मतलब मैं Big Boss इतना देखता भी नहीं. So I'm not really familiar with the concept of Big Boss, and um,
Okay.
but I keep seeing ads, and a lot of my friends watch Big Boss, so I hear a lot of things. But no, personally, I wouldn't.
Okay. So recently you finished your Chandigarh shoot of College Diaries. Tell us about that.
Yeah, it was like a vacation for all of us because we had so much fun making that show. So again, like you said, it's a college show. It's about five friends. I can't speak a lot about it, but to be very honest, best scripts I've read till date. I mean, I have a blast reading the script. We had a good time shooting it. We were having a lot of fun, and I really hope, with fingers crossed, that the people who will see it eventually also have the same amount of fun. So yeah.
Tell us about your future projects as well. What are you working on next?
I'm working on this show for Hotstar. Um, we've been at it for the last 2 years now because of lockdown and a lot of things that happened. It got stalled, but now on the last season, and it's again a very interesting show with a lot of talented and amazing people on board, amazing actors. There's Shweta Tripathi, there's Mr. Siddharth Narayanan, there's Javed Jafri, all amazing actors and amazing team. So yeah, we're almost done shooting, and I think lately Indian uh, yeah, so I'm hoping.
Amazing, the best project.
Thank you.
I have a small rapid fire game for you. That
Yes.
your nickname at home.
Yeah, friends call me. My mom sometimes calls me Ritu. So
Okay, then
you can say it.
city
this show called I Know I'm to the Party. I've I'm on that.
Your favorite now.
That
Your favorite character who played from
um, I think it would be from Flames. That's a tough one.
Okay. A
Films.
character you wish you had played from films.
I wish I had played.
Yeah.
I wish I had played Ranbir's character from Barfi.
Wow. Currently dating or single?
Single.
Describe yourself in 3 words.
Shy, hardworking, and I think honest.
A celeb you would want to go on a date with?
Go on a date with Alia Bhatt.
If you have to ask the following people a question, what would it be? First is Prajakta Kohli, mostly same.
How do you do it, man? I mean, she's a friend, and I've seen her do a few, host a few events, and she's so amazing. I mean, she can really hold a crowd, and she's so witty, so funny. She's very intelligent. She's right there.
Yeah.
So I just want to ask her, how do you do it?
Nick from BU Nick.
Nick from again his. Where does he get his comic timing from and his comic sense from? He's too funny.
Ranveer Singh.
Ranveer Singh. How can I get that energy?
Salman Khan.
Salman Khan. What's the secret to your stardom? I think he knows it, and I would love to know it as well.
Amazing. Katrina Kaif.
Katrina Kaif. What would I ask Katrina Kaif? What's your fitness secret?
Actor you want to work with?
Ranbir Kapoor.
Female actor you want to co-star with?
Tabu.
Director you want to work with?
Mr. Rajkumar Hirani.
Weirdest thing a fan has done for you?
Weirdest? It wasn't weird actually. It was sweet, but मुझे थोड़ा weird लगा था because I haven't really put my home address anywhere, and I once received a letter from a fan from Assam, and it was delivered to my house. So I don't know did they get through. But yeah, that was
What attracts you most in a girl?
Intellect.
Favorite female co-star?
Favorite female co-star?
From
All of them are amazing, but I think Tanya.
Tanya, okay. Thank you so much, Ritvik, for joining us.
Thank you, Asudha.
It was lovely talking to you. Thank you.
Likewise. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye. Take care.